What's happening, baseball fans? Brian Mapes here, top 30 now for the Major League Baseball Fan Cave in 2013. I just want to start off by thanking you for your tremendous support during the Top 52 campaign. It's been an incredible experience so far, and I hope to continue it on in Arizona and all the way to the Fan Cave on 4th and Broadway. I'm from Connecticut, but my birthplace is right here in Daytona Beach, Florida, where I'm at Jackie Robinson Ballpark right now. Now, when you hear the words Daytona Beach, you think of NASCAR, you think of Bike Week, but this is where I was born and bred to be a baseball lover. My dad called junior college games here as an umpire, and this has been such a tremendous place for me. Jackie Robinson Ballpark and Daytona Beach has a tremendous baseball history. This is the spot where the first integrated spring training game was in 1946. Jackie Robinson's played here. Stan Musial played here. Hall of Famer Ryne Sandberg played here. This is now the home of the Daytona Cubs with alumni like Jeff Samardzija, All-Star Starlin Castro, and, well, a guy who can't find a job in Kyle Lohse. Also in Daytona, just down the road, is the Harry Wendelstedt Umpire School that has groomed and brought into Major League Baseball the guys that call the game and make the game run. So I am proud to represent my birthplace of Daytona Beach, Florida in the MLB Fan Cave, and I hope to make Daytona proud.
Yeah, you can be the greatest, you can be the best, you can be the King Kong banging on your chest.